Good morning, students. Today we will read chapter 2 of your computer book, Parts of a Computer. Have you seen? There are mainly 4 parts of computer: keyboard, monitor, CPU and mouse. Besides, there are so many other parts also, but the main 4 parts are these only. First one is monitor. Monitor, it looks like a TV screen and is an output device. It is used to display text, pictures and videos. There are 2 types of monitor, CRT and LCD monitors. You can see LCD monitors are slim in size and CRT monitors are fatty in size. Keyboard. A keyboard is an input device. It looks like a typewriter. A standard keyboard has 101 keys. The keys are used to give instructions to the computer. Next part is CPU. It is known as the brain of a computer. As we cannot work without brain, alike computer also cannot work without CPU. So CPU controls every part of it. It takes instructions and give us results. Mouse. Have you seen mouse? It looks like the picture. You can see the image. A mouse is an input device. It is used to give graphical commands. It fits under the palm of your hand. It has 2 buttons on it. A small wheel is there between the mouse buttons. Scanner. Scanner is also an input device. It is used to send image and text into the computer. It is very much like photocopy machine. Printer. A printer is an output device. It helps to print everything on the computer that you see on the monitor screen. Speakers. Speakers are output device. Speaker is used to give audio output. We can listen music, sound, etc. through it. Microphone. Microphone is an input device as it is used to take voice input. You can record songs, poems, etc. in your own voice through it. And what happens when the power goes off? If there is no light, then a part is there, UPS, uninterrupted power supply. It is used to give backup when the power goes off. So you can read the summary of the chapter from here. There are 8 points after the chapter. On page number 15, you have to read all the points and then move to tricky terms. VDU. Full form of VDU is Visual Display Unit. CPU, Central Processing Unit. UPS, uninterrupted power supply. Now let's move to filling the blanks. Monitor is also known as Visual Display Unit. The spelling of visual is VISUAL. A standard keyboard has 101 keys. 101 keys. CPU is the brain of computer. Mouse can fit under the palm, PALM, palm of your hand. A small wheel is there between the mouse buttons. Scanner, SCANNER. Scanner is used to send images into the computer. Now come to true or false. True or false. Speakers are output device. True. Microphone is used to listen sound. No, it is used to record sounds. So it is false. Printer cannot produce color images. No, it can produce. So it is false. CPU is the brain of computer. It is true. A mouse has 3 buttons. No, it has 2 buttons. So it is false. Now we have to give one use of the following parts of the computer? Printer. We can take printout, black and white and color printouts from the printer. UPS. It is used to give backup when the power goes off. Power goes off. OFF, off. CPU. It is the brain of the computer which take instructions and give output. Microphone is used to record sounds, poems, songs in your own voice. You can record anything in microphone, through microphone. Keyboard. It is used to give instructions to the computer. Now answer the following questions. Write any 3 input devices. 3 input devices are keyboard. Number 1, keyboard. Second one is mouse. Third one is scanner. Write any 3 output devices. As we have read in the chapter, 3 output devices are printer, speaker. Number 1 is printer. Second one is speaker. And third one is monitor. Third one is monitor. Next question. What is the difference between speaker and microphone? The main difference between speaker and microphone, you have to write speaker is an output device and microphone is an input device. Next question. Name 4 main basic parts of computer. As we have read in the chapter, the 4 main basic parts of the computer are monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. Monitor, CPU, printer and mouse. CPU, you can write 4 parts. Mainly you have to write monitor, mouse, keyboard and CPU. Which device is used to print the result on the paper? Answer is printer is used. Don't write device here. Printer is used to print the result on the paper. Now choose the right answer. UPS stands for uninterrupted power supply. CPU stands for central processing unit. A standard keyboard has 101 keys. Other name of monitor is VDU. Third option, VDU. Microphone is used to record sound, voice or both. We can use it for recording sound and voice both. So answer will be both. I hope the parts of the computers are clear in your mind. You have to complete chapter number 2. Now I'll be coming to you with the next chapter in my next video. Complete this chapter. All the best. Have a good day.